Hey, what's going on, guys? I wanted to whip up this quick video to talk to you guys a little bit about Richard Takemura. Now, Richard Takemura came into my life not too long, a couple months ago, and to be honest, I would not be where I am today without the help of Richard Takemura and without his guidance and mentorship. He's an absolutely amazing guy. He's an amazing teacher. He's extremely patient in helping you succeed. And that's the one thing that I liked about him the most, is how his hands-on training had helped me transform my business completely. And you know, the hands-on help, the computer know-how. He helped me fix my computer and helped it get up to speed and everything like that. And he helped me literally increase and double my commissions per month online. So with that being said, you know, I give a shout out to you, Richard, and I'm super happy that I have met you and have got to experience your knowledge and your teaching and how to actually operate an online business effectively and get the success. You know, Richard has been in this game for I don't know how long. He's been in the dirt, and he's found these proven systems to actually succeed online. And these proven systems, you know, he's been able to replicate them and teach all the people that he's taught and helped every single one of them succeed. So with that being said, guys, if you get a chance to learn from Richard Takemura, sit down with him, chat with him, get to know him, and let him mentor you to your success. You know, it's like he told me, you know, if you're wanting to succeed in your business and in your life, the fastest way to do so is to find a mentor and somebody who's already been there before. Richard, he's already been there before, and you know, he is an absolute all-star when it comes to internet marketing. So if you guys get a chance to get him as your mentor, then definitely take it. So with that being said, guys, I just wanted to whip up this quick video to give a shout out to Richard. So again, Richard, thank you very much, and I look forward to, you know, seeing you in the future and getting to work with you again. So thanks a lot.